Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore factory defaults in HP Smart Tank 670, in other words, how to do hard reset. And this turns out to be quite a complicated process. I'm seeing that approach for the first time. So what you need is stick your finger into this notch and open the ink access door. Then press the information button and hold until all buttons light up like this, and then press and hold information and cancel button until you see blinking Wi-Fi indicator. It's about 5 seconds, maybe a bit more. Like this. That's it. Now release the buttons and close the ink access door, and the printer will restart and reset. And once you see the blinking Wi-Fi indicator again, just set up your printer in HP Smart application on any device. That's it guys, if this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us, and be awesome. Bye guys.